નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is natural resources. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have learned about the planning and the conservation of resources. After we have learned about the soil formation. After also dear children we have learned about the soil. What is the soil dear children? You know very well that the uppermost layer of the crust of the earth, it is called as a soil, and which contain the mineral and biotic element which necessary for the growth and development of the vegetation. After also dear children, in the previous lecture we have learned about the types of soil, and you know very well that according to ICAR, it means Indian Council of Agriculture and Research, divided the soil of the India into the 8 types, and out of 8 types in the previous lecture, first alluvial soil dear children we have completed that. This alluvial soil is spread into the total area of the India is near about the 43% area. Up to this dear children we have completed. Now today dear children we have learned about the second types of the soil. Alluvial soil already we have completed in previous lecture. Second type, it is known as a red soil. Which soil? Red soil dear children. Now it occupied about the 19% of the total land of the India. What happened dear children? This red soil it occupied about how much? 19% of the total land of the India. In this dear children, you remember that it spread from Tamil Nadu in the peninsular India up to the Bulandshahr into the north side, and from the Raj Mahal hills in the east up to the Kutch in the west. Such soil is to be the found in the district of Udaipur, Chittorgarh, after Dungarpur, Banswara, Bhilwara. The soil is red in color due to the presence of the ferric oxide. Which in remembering, underlining your textbook. Why this soil is red? Because this soil is red in color due to the presence of the ferric oxide, and it become yellow while going to the downward. Lime, gravel, carbonate are not found in this soil. There is a deficiency of lime, magnesium, phosphate, nitrogen, potash in this soil. Crop like millet, cotton, wheat, jowar, linseed, groundnut, potato, etc. are to be grown in this soil. Which things are to be grown in this soil, dear children? Then remember that cotton, wheat, millets, jowar, potato, groundnut, all these things are to be grown in the red soil. Next one, dear children, they have given about the black soil. Which one? Black soil. And this is the important soil for the board examination point of view. This is the important question. Which one? Black soil. Remember it, dear children. Black or rigger soil. What is the another name of the black soil, dear children? Black soil, it is also known as a rigger soil. It covers near about the 15% of the total areas of the India. How much? It covers about the 15% of the total areas of India. Which soil? Black soil. Also, you can say that it is also known as a rigger soil. The soil was formed due to the spreading into the Deccan lava. What? The soil is spreading due to the Deccan lava. Such soil we can find out in entire Maharashtra, Western Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and certain part of the Karnataka. In Gujarat, we can find the black soil in Surat, Bharuch, Narmada, Vadodara, Tapi, Dang district. These types of the soil we are found. Lava rocks and climates play very important role in the formation of such soil. There is a more proportion of the iron, lime, calcium, potash, aluminium, and magnesium carbonates in these types of the soil. Dear children, underlining what happened then? Here in black soil there is a more proportion of iron, lime, calcium, potash, aluminium, magnesium carbonate in these types of the soil. It is considered to be the very quite fertile. This soil is also to be the capacity of retaining the moisture. Wherever the moisture dry up, what happens that whenever the moisture is dry up, they develop the fissures. Crop like cotton. The soil is also known as a cotton soil. Dear children, what happened that black soil it is also known as a cotton soil. Remember that this name. Other are grown in this soil as it is the more suitable to the cotton in this soil. It is also known as a cotton soil. Next one, dear children, they have given about the laterite soil. Which one, dear children? Laterite soil. Now, the name of this soil is a laterite. What the name of this soil is a laterite? It derived from the Latin word, and this Latin word is a later, which means a brick. The Latin word means a later, and this means a brick. And because of that, dear children, they have to say that it is a red color due to the iron oxide. What happened there? Due to the iron oxide, we can find out that laterite soil is some little bit in the red color. When this soil becomes the wet, it becomes smooth like a butter, and when it is the dry, it becomes very hard. It is the form due to the change of the dry and moisture climate and due to the prevalent in silica based minerals or material. The soil has to be the developed in higher area of the peninsular plateaus of the India. The soil contains more in iron, potash and aluminum. What happened then, dear children? We remember that in laterite soil you have to find out the more proportion of the iron, potash and the aluminum. The soil is less fertile, but cotton, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, tea, coffee, cashew, etc. can be grown after the fertilizing. Next one, dear children, they have given about the desert soil. Next one, which one? Desert soil. Desert soil, it means this type of the soil is seen in the area where the climate is arid or semi-arid. What happened then? This kind of the soil, desert soil, we have to find in the climate where the arid and the semi-arid region is there. And because of that, the soil is sandy as well as infertile. Dear children, you know very well that the desert soil is infertile as well as the sandy, and it contains the more dissolved minerals into that. Rajasthan, Haryana, southern Punjab have this type of the soil is there. In Gujarat, dear children, these type of soil are to be found in the Kutch, in some part of the Saurashtra. With the irrigation facility, crop like millets and jowar can be cultivated into this soil. Next one, dear children, they have given about the mountain soil. Which one? Mountain soil. Now, this type of the soil is to be found into the valley and the slopy region of the Himalaya at the altitude. Altitude, it means the height of 2700 to 3000 meter. Its layer is very thin and it's underdeveloped. What happened then? The layer is very thin as well as the underdeveloped. The soil is found in Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. In Himalaya, the soil is found at the general altitude in the region of the pine and the cheed tree. Next one, dear children, they have given about the forest soil. Which soil? Forest soil. In this forest soil, dear children, they have to given that this type of the soil is found within the altitude between 3000 meter to 3100 meter. Altitude, it is the height. It is known as the coniferous forest of the Himalaya, and here Sahyadri, Eastern Ghat and Terai region of the Himalayas is there. The surface of earth is covered by the shaded leaves. What happened then, dear children? They are given that the surface of the earth is covered by the shaded leaves of the tree, and upper part of the land it becomes the black. And due to increasing humus caused due to the decaying leaves, and it change into the blue or red color while going down within the land. Beside it, tea, coffee, spices, other crops like wheat, maize, barley, paddy, etc. are also taken. The soil is found into the limited area. Next one, dear children, they have given about the marshy or petty soil. Which one? Last one, eighth one, marshy or petty soil. This type of the soil is to be developed in the humid region due to the accumulation of the biotic element. What happened then, dear children? We can say that this kind of the soil you can develop and find out in the humid region. They are also saying that during the rainy season, what during the rainy season, this land is a submerged under the water, and when the water is received, paddy can be grown in it. There is the excess of the biotic element and the mineral into such soil, but it shows the insufficiency in the phosphate and the potassium. What happened that here there is an insufficiency of the phosphate and potassium. Such soil are found in Odisha, West Bengal, coastal of the Tamil Nadu, central area of the northern Bihar, Almanda district of the Uttarakhand, and the soil is very limited extent. So what happened that dear children, we have learned about the types of soil according to divided by ICMR, and 8 types of the soil we are learning. Out of 8, dear children, you remember the black soil. This is the important question for the board examination point of view. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us